Looking at the DesignJet 450C, it's producing jagged lines on some of the colours, so what we're going to do is going to run a cartridge alignment, colour cartridge alignment page on it. So we've got our A4 sheet of paper there, and got the control panel set to sheet. This needs to be done on an A4 sheet of paper. It won't work on a roll, won't work on any size sheet of paper, you'll just end up with a media error. So what we do is we load our sheet of paper, pressing the load button. Once our sheet of paper is loaded and we've got a ready light that's on solid, all we need to do is press the reprint and cancel keys together, hold them for a second and then release. That's now going to print a colour cartridge alignment sheet. So we've got the colour cartridge alignment sheet that's been produced here, useful in a couple of ways. Shows how the colours are actually printing for each of the individual colours there, and they all look fairly good. Magenta's got a little bit missing, black's got a couple of missing bits on it, but to be honest, not bad for this DesignJet. I certainly wouldn't be looking at replacing any cartridges. We then come down, look in this section here and across here, and look for the best image. Once we find the best image, we shade in the corresponding box above that image. Most of them good, a couple of minor alterations here and here that I've shaded in. So now all we need to do is put this back in the DesignJet to reprogram it to tell it to adjust accordingly. So we've got the colour cartridge alignment sheet. It's face down, the arrow pointing into the machine. In position there, press the load button. So with the sheet successfully loaded and we've got a steady ready light on there, not flashing, all we need to do, press the setup button. And what the DesignJet will do now, it will take that sheet in, it will look for any changes, and it will write the changes to the electronics module of the machine to tell it to adjust for the cartridges that are installed. And that should resolve any stepped images problems that you've got.